Welcome back. Today it's me, Beto G. I'm back today with another beat. Today I'm going to be making Costa trap beat today. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop new video you'll get notified. I'm going to launch my FSCO properly. Make sure you subscribe. I'm just going to put my cursor here to make my Costa trap beat. I'm just going to right click. I'm going to right click like this and just press open. Now very soon my FSCO open. It's loading. I'm going to make Costa trap beat. Now it's loading. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I drop videos of making beats every day. I've opened my FSCO. This is it. Then this is art. I'm going to click here on art. I'm going to click here on Simpson. I'm going to left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheel up to channel 5. This is how to make Costa trap beat. I'm going to click on this icon, click on presets. And then I'm going to click on this. I'm going to pick this preset called Talker. Then I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Now I will start making my Costa trap beat. This is it. Now I've played the 2 bars pattern. I'm going to press Control and A and pitch it down. Now I'm going to left click and hold it, highlight to the left and press Control and B to copy the bars number 8. Here on art, I'm going to pick another preset again to make a 2 melody loop. So I'm going to click here and pick this preset called Harmless. I'm going to left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheels to channel 6. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Now this is my bass melody. Now on my hat, I'm going to right click and press piano roll. First, I'm going to turn down this Harmless, turn down this other melody. Then I'm going to right click and press piano roll to start. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Sorry for the malfunctioning. If it's not aligning on my pitching, it's just a malfunctioning. So I will start programming my hi-hat now. I'm just going to program my hi-hat. This is the first bar here. I'm going to click here like this. Then I'm going to left click and hold it, highlight to the left and press Control and B. Then on this third one, I'm going to click on third one and add the sound organizer. Then on my snare here, I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Now I'll program my snare. I'm going to turn my snare right up. On step 1 here, I'm going to click on step 1 here and click the sound womanizer. On my kick here, I'm going to left click and hold it and drop it to channel 1. Now right click and press piano roll. Then I'll start programming my kick now. Now I'm going to click here on my first channel here on channel 1. I'm going to click here, click on this icon, turn the volume knob right up. That's it. On my first melody here, on my boom bars, I'm going to click here, swap left and right. The second melody here, I'll click here and swap left and right. On my snare, I'm going to click here and swap left and right. On my hi-hat here, I'm going to click here. My first kick, I'll click here and swap left and right. My master, I'll click here. Then I'm just going to reverse the polarity by clicking here. Like this. That's it. Now on part 1 here, I'm going to right click and just click here, split by chaining. Now, as you can see, I'm just going to pause here and explain something. Now, I've programmed my kick, I've programmed my hi-hat, my snare, my first melody called a talker, and the last melody. This is my playlist. I'm just going to click on my kick here and drop it into my playlist. Click on my hi-hat, drop it into my playlist. Click on my snare and drop it into my playlist. Click on my first melody, drop it into my playlist. Click on my last melody and drop it into my playlist. Now, I'm going to click here. And then I'm going to left click and hold it. I like to left and press Ctrl and D. Then I'm going to remove this one here. I'm going to remove these hi-hats and remove the snare here. Then I'm going to left click and hold it. I like to left and press Ctrl and D. Now I'm going to click here like this to my outro and click here. Then I'm going to remove my hi-hats and remove my snare here. Then my first melody, I'm going to right click and create automation clip. I will start mixing my melodies now. On my step 1 here, I'm going to click on my step 1 and add a Fruit 2 multiband compressor. On my step 2, I'm going to click on my step 2 and add a Fruit parametric Q2. Then on my step 3, I'm going to click here and add the sound womanizer. Then on this melody here, I'm going to click on step 1 and add the sound womanizer. Then on step 2, I'm going to click on step 2 and add a Fruit multiband compressor. That's it. Now everything is okay. Now then on step 4, I'm going to add another one. I'll add a Fruit multiband. I'm going to add a Fruit parametric. I'm going to add it. Then I'm going to going down a little bit from this. I wanted to say a full parametric EQ2, but I made a mistake and said a full multi-band compressor, but I've already had a full parametric EQ2. First, let me just post it here. Let's listen to the full coastal trap beat from where it is now to the end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make coastal trap beats. It's me, Beto G, the beatmaker. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop new video, you get notified. Thank you, and see you next time in another beat. Bye, and see you next time. Thank you so much.